Speaker, let me turn to Treasury Single Account. Mr. Speaker, the PFM Act 2012 and its attendant registration provides for the establishment of the Treasury Single Account, TSA as we call it, system at both national and county government levels. Based on the experience over the last 10 years since the enactment of PFM Act 2012, the need to review the scope of TSC implementation has become apparent. To improve public cash management, it is necessary to operationalize other elements of the TSA system and that are envisaged in the law. The automation of government payments through the Integrated Financial Management Information System, IFMIS, and the Central Bank of Kenya Internet Banking, IB, system forms a good basis to widen the scope of Treasury Single Account system. The National Treasury undertook an inventory of bank accounts and balances held by public sector entities in various financial institutions and established that as at 30th June 2023, these entities held Kenya shillings 431.7 billion with various financial institutions. These large cash balances were not immediately accessible at the time when the government was very, very cash strained. Mr. Speaker, to address this challenge and underscore the government's unwavering commitment for fiscal discipline, transparency, and efficiency in the management of public finances, the Cabinet approved the implementation of Treasury Single Account system in a clustered approach. The system will consolidate government cash resources into a single account held at the Central Bank of Kenya and sub-treasury single accounts at the commercial banks. The National Treasury in this respect will establish a treasury function to manage the TSA and the TSA sub-account structure so that every day the government financial position is known and ascertained. The migration of the TSA system commences on 1st July 2024.